Good morning, class. Good morning, class. I'm sorry I couldn't be there with you guys today. I am not feeling well, but I am going to be introducing you a new lesson in morning math, and that new lesson is going to be double counting. With double counting, the way that you see the numbers here is the way that is demonstrated in your book. So the way that I'm going to show you everybody is I'm going to put a line down the middle. Why I'm doing that is to separate the one side from the other side, and then I'm going to put a star above this side so that I remember that I have to do it first. So right now I have a 5, so 6, 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. I have 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So my number now is a 27. Another way that I'm going to demonstrate how to do it is with the manipulatives. I don't have access to show you manipulatives, so I just drew them out. So I have 1 10, another 10. So how many is that? That's 2. And then I have 1, 2 from 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I have 27. It's the same answer. I'm showing you 2 different ways to do it so everybody could see one way they like best, or you guys could use the manipulatives to check your original answer. Let's go to a different example. Right now I have 13 plus 33. I'm going to do my line down the middle. That big line. I'm going to do that star, so I remember that I'm doing this side first. So I have 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 3, 4. Again, with your manipulatives, I have 1 10, 2 10, 3 10s, 4 10s. That means we're going to be in the 40s. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now go to the back, grab your manipulatives, open up to your page, and get started on your double counting, and we'll go over it tomorrow. You guys will have homework tonight to follow, and we'll go over that tomorrow as well.